Welcome to this Monitoro tutorial. In this video we will learn how to insert a new row in Airtable when your monitor is triggered. The first step is to create a new app account in Monitoro and then choose Airtable from the list of apps. Now let's copy an access token from Airtable. And then the ID of the base you want to connect. Airtable is now connected successfully. Now let's create a new monitor. We'll monitor the price for sports shoes. You can pick an icon for it, afterwards choose on my machine. Let's copy the link for the shoes we want to monitor. Paste it in Monitoro and press the Add Valid Link button. Awesome! Click on the blue button Monitor New Data. First select the product name and name your selection. Then select the price and the variant, naming your selection as well, and we're done selecting data. Click on the green button below to move to the next step. Now create an event and trigger it when the price changes. Add an action, choose Insert a new row, then select your Airtable account. Write the name of the table to which Monitoro will send data. Now we need to map data from your monitor to Airtable, which we do by adding column names in the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, select which data to write in that table column using the blue plus button. Save the integration, then save the event. Monitoring has already started, so when you open Airtable, and you will find a new row added already. At this point you can add other shoes from the same website. They will also be monitored and your event triggered when the conditions are met. That's all for this tutorial to send new data to Airtable using Monitoro. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to follow us and to subscribe for more videos, and if you have any questions let us know in the comments or by contacting Monitoro's support.